bad break somebody. Get that bad break there. Come on, y'all.
That on me,
You can't pull that thing. Hold on. Hold on, don't tie it up. Wait a minute, I got to read it.
You got to read it.
Come on, y'all. Back break. Hey, come on, we got to do something.
What? And we waiting on you. Oh, we got to do something, and we waiting on you.
Okay.
There you go.
John, what line you gonna cut?
I reckon gonna fall in line what he did.
This line or this
Yeah.
line?
I don't know. I'm going where he did. There you go. Come on now. Come on, there you is.
Charlie, we waiting on you. Yeah, then come on, we'll be waiting on you.
John, what line you gonna go with?
Go ahead, go ahead.
You gonna go at the line that's right here, or you go at the line that's right here?
I'm going to line right there.
This one right here.
Yeah.
Let me pull it.
You can't pull that thing.
Hold it.
Yeah, if you crank that up, I'm gonna laugh.
Don't video this. I'm cranking up. She did something. Casey did something on this side.
Crank the thing up.
I'm trying to crank it. Wait a minute.
There you go, y'all. Y'all gonna get it.
There you go.
I can't really tell. It ready now?
Go ahead on then.
You got that time that was bad. The other time was that same amount. It looked like it was,
Huh?
You ready to do it now, y'all?
that back brace don't be on his back.
It be on his butt.
That wasn't hurting my butt.
Oh,
On the butt.
on his back.
What you got the heel rod?
Come on.
Come on, y'all.
There you go, Charles.
Put it, y'all.
You almost had it.
I ain't hurting nothing.
Come on, D.
2,000 years later.
Now hold it down.
Crank it.
Hold on, man. Get out the way.
Look at me, y'all.
Oh, Lord, I hit something.
What's that?
Oh, G, don't worry about that.
Nah, you can't clean these folks feeling out.
It already cut.
Hopefully that go down, man.
You gotta go straight down. All that good. They know. Okay, we going on down again. Don't trip me.
Come on, child. Come on, man. Put your,
Pull it.
yeah.
Pull it.
Come on, D-Ball. Crank it up good the first time.
Hold on, Rob.
You gotta hold the trick with your hand. You can do it with your boot.
Whoa.
You ready?
Oh, D-Bo, y'all won't got it.
Let me put it, child.
Man.
Hold it, child.
Oh, shit.
Hey,
Hey, that's all right. Yeah.